sometimes.
So hard.
Leave it when it crosses your mind.
Think about it.
If you can get it, better rise and get with it. Because life, it gets hard sometimes. Life, it gets hard sometimes.
So hard.
Leave it when it crosses your mind.
Think about it.
If you can get it, better rise and get with it. Because life, it gets hard sometimes.
Little man growing up with no guidance in his life, it's hard for him. He turned to the streets for advice. Didn't think twice when it came to his stripes. Heart stone cold, no problem for a fight. Hustling minor, he did it all night. Smart young man, stashing stash in the pipes. Had a lot of sense, but used it for the wrong rights. It would have been easier with moms in his sight, or pops in his corner with a boxing persona. He could have been a contender, a Hopkins performer. Instead he played the corner, puffed this marijuana. Figured it would ease the pain through all the drama. All he really needed was a hug from his mama. He couldn't get that, so he created more karma. Mind of a lawyer, but born as a